I've decided to come to Woxsen because I feel that India is a very interesting country to visit and experience, especially as an exchange student. And then after doing some research here for the university, I was very intrigued with the campus and everything else that I've seen so far.
From the first moment I've arrived, I've been really impressed by Woxsen's modern campus and state-of-the-art teaching and sports facilities, because they are an excellent place to learn and grow.
I researched the website and I thought the subjects really interesting and could me help a lot. Besides that, Woxsen has a big structure that I can study and also do some sports, so I can match both of the things, studies and exercises.
By far my favorite place here is the sports area, because I can play tennis or do yoga classes, so it's by far the more welcoming environment for me, and I really enjoy there.
I came here at Woxsen University to have a global perspective on my respective field. I thought to gain a wide range of knowledge on practical and theories at the same time, like studio lab works or multimedia lab works.
I love the beautiful campus and the huge sports complex at Woxsen. I'm a person who loves physical activities, and the sports complex motivated me a lot to choose Woxsen. The weather is very pleasant to me, and all the amenities at Woxsen helps me to study without any worries.
I am getting the chance to know every states of India in one frame, like I'm getting the chance to exchange my culture with their culture.
I really had no expectations before coming, but as I got here, I'm very thrilled by the methods the lectures use in teaching. And one thing I also love is that there are gyms and as a gym girl, I really love the gyms here, and there's one gym that is exclusive for females, so that's what I love.
Friends from my university studied here 1 year ago, and they just said me, Nikita, let's go, it's a good place. And thirdly, I want to say about students here. Here study excellent students who can help you with everything what you need.
But what's truly unique about Woxsen is the people. I've met so many nice, kind-hearted people here that have genuinely helped me broaden my horizons and understand things about India that I couldn't have ever done without coming here to experience them firsthand.